Hi everybody and welcome to word problem 17. I forgot where I was at. This is a read, draw, write problem, so we're going to read it, we're going to draw it, and we are going to write about it. Hold on.
May I have your attention, please? Hey, Sashi, wait one second. Mr. Place, please call extension 8400. Mr. Place, 8400. Thank you.
So, school's busy today. All right, so the branch of a tree is 2 meters long. Monica chops the branch for firewood. She cuts pieces that are 1/6 meter long. Draw a number line to show the total length of the branch. Partition and label each of Monica's cuts. How many pieces of wood does Monica have altogether? Write 2 equivalent fractions to describe the total length of Monica's branch. Woo, a lot going on today. So, the branch is 2 meters long, so we're doing meters. Monica chops the branch for fireworks. She cuts the pieces that are into sixths of a meter. Draw a number line to show the total length of the branch. Partition and label each of Monica's cuts. All right, so you need to draw a number line. I'm gonna go from here all the way over here to this. This is gonna be a 2 because we know we're at 2, and I'm gonna put an M by it because we're doing meters. This is going to be 0 meters. Right in the middle is going to be my 1 meter. Make it a little better. I'm going to do this a little differently than I normally do it. I'm not sure why, but we're going to play around with it. We need to cut the pieces into sixths. So I'm going to draw 5 lines so I have 6 pieces. So, ooh, that went a little quick. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 6, 2, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, draw a number line to show the total length, partition and label each of her cuts. So this is how long my branch is. This would be 1/6, 2/6. You know what, I'm gonna erase this out. I'm gonna make it a little skinnier just because it's a little bit hard to write. 1/6. 2/6, 3/6, 4/6, 5/6, 6/6, 7/6, 8/6, 9/6, 10/6, 11/6, and 12/6. Whew. So, how many pieces does Monica have altogether? That's our first question. So we're going to count our pieces. 1, I'm going to actually do a little line on each one so you know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12 pieces. How many pieces does she have altogether? You might have already figured that out. She has 12. And pieces is right in my question, so make sure you go back into the question. 12 pieces. Write 2 equivalent fractions to describe the length of Monica's branch. So, I need to do 2 more equivalent fractions. So I'm actually going to draw a tape diagram. That's the same length. I'm going to do it in blue this time so you can see it. Same length as the branch. So I'm going to have to do 2 equivalent fractions. I'm going to do 2 of them. So I'm going to do them 2 separately so that you can see them. All right, so I need to do equivalent fractions. So it's got to be the same. So I need to divide it in something other than 6s. I could go 12s, but I really don't want to go bigger. So I'm actually going to take my rod and I'm going to mark off this is like 1 and that's 2. So that's it. So now I'm just going to do halves. I like halves. They're a lot of fun. So I'm going to divide that one in half and that one in half. So if this is a half, this is 2/2, 3/2, this would be 4/2. So one other way to write an equivalent fraction would be, I'm going to come over here and do it 4/2. And let's see if we can do thirds. I think we might be able to do thirds. So I'm going to come down here and do thirds. So this is my branch. I'm going to divide it into thirds. I'm going to do this is 1 again, and there's 2. So I'm going to divide it into thirds. I'm going to do this one in purple. So go to 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So this is going to be 1/3, 2/3, 3/3, 4/3, 5/3, and over here would be 6/3. So another way to write it would be 6/3. So you can write it as 12/6, 4 halves, or 6/3. That was kind of a complicated one. A lot of work in that one. So I hope that you stuck with it and didn't give up. If you want to see it a little differently, let me just close this out so you have it. There we go. I also put the second page up so you can kind of see it here too. I did it a little differently as well. I did it with 2 equivalent fractions. I did all new fractions. They just wrote it as 6/12 or 2/1 is another way to write that fraction. So we did it a little bit differently than they did, but guess what? We still did 2 equivalent fractions. So that is our word problem of the day. Have a great day, guys.